In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram Story Highlights. Instagram Story Highlights are a great way to save your best stories and keep them visible on your profile. Even after the usual 24-hour limit, they sit right under your bio. So they're one of the first things people see when they visit your page. Let's walk through, step by step, how to set them up and customize them. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. You'll know you're there when you see your profile picture, your bio, and your posts. Just below your bio is the section where highlights live. If you've never made one before, this area might look empty or show a prompt to create a highlight. To create a new highlight, tap the circle with a plus sign that says New or Add. Instagram will take you straight into your story archive. This is where all your past stories are saved, as long as you have archiving turned on. Take a moment to scroll through and choose the stories you want to feature. You can select one story for a very focused highlight, or several stories that fit a theme, like trips, events, or tutorials. Once you've selected your stories, tap Next. Now you'll see a preview of your highlight and a place to type in a name. Keep this title short and clear, because it will appear right under the highlight icon on your profile. Think of labels like travel, behind the scenes, or tips. Below the title, you'll see the cover image. By default, Instagram chooses one of the stories you selected, but you can change this. Tap Edit Cover to move the image around, zoom in or out, or pick a different frame from your stories. A clean, easy to recognize cover helps visitors quickly understand what each highlight is about. When you're happy with the title and cover, tap Done or Add. Your new highlight now appears on your profile. You can tap into it to watch through the stories and make sure everything looks the way you want. If you ever need to update a highlight, just press and hold on it from your profile. From there, you can edit the title, change the cover, or add and remove stories. This makes it easy to keep your highlights organized and up to date as you post more content. And that's how you create Instagram Story Highlights and make your best stories last longer on your profile.